Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn EVS 1. Lesson 15, My District, My State. In the chapter, we are going to learn how a state is formed from hamlet and settlements. Here is an example of a tree. To be complete, a tree must have several components such as leaves, small branches, big branches, a trunk, etc. In the same way, our state too is made up of many settlements, villages, towns, talukas, and districts. Let us learn in detail about Maharashtra state. Number 1. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state. Nagpur is the second capital. According to its physical feature, Maharashtra is divided into three regions. A. The coastal region, B. The mountainous region, and C. The plateau region. Number 3. The Godavari river is the longest river in Maharashtra. Number 4. The Satpura mountain is in the northern part of Maharashtra. The highest peak in the Satpura mountain is Astamba. The Sahyadri mountains are also called the Western Ghats. Kalsubai in this mountain is the highest peak in Maharashtra. The Arabian Sea is to the west of the state. This is a physical map of Maharashtra. You can see the state boundary, district boundaries, the state capital and second capital. Besides, you can also see the neighboring states of Maharashtra. Agriculture in our state, Maharashtra. The production of crops depends on the climate, soil and availability of water. Different regions of Maharashtra get different amounts of rainfall. As a result, there is variety in the crops grown. Agriculture is the main occupation in Maharashtra. Agriculture in state depends mostly on rainfall. This is called rain-fed or Jiryati agriculture. In some places, water obtained through irrigation is also used. This is called irrigated Bagyati agriculture. There are seasons of agriculture. The agriculture season that falls during the monsoon period is called the Kharif season, and the one that falls during the winter is called the Rabi season. Maharashtra state average annual rainfall. Regions of high, moderate and low rainfall are shown on the map given here. Rainfall has an effect on the agriculture. Regions of rainfall and main crops. Regions of high rainfall and the main crop is rice. The regions of medium rainfall and the main crops are jowar, tur, soybean. Regions of low rainfall and the main crops are jowar, bajra and moth beans. Beside these crops, some cash crops are also grown on a large scale. For example, sugarcane, cotton, turmeric, vegetables and onions. Let us learn about the language and the dialects in Maharashtra. Maharashtra state was formed on 1st May 1960. States in India have been formed on the basis of language. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, there is similarity as well as diversity in languages. The pronunciation of Marathi varies in different regions. We see a variety in the dialects that are spoken. We should welcome this diversity. Regions, some dialects. Konkan, Konkani, Malwani. Vidarbha, Varhadi, Khandesh. Airani, Khandeshi. The festivals celebrated in Maharashtra. We find variety in the festivals of our state. According to the different traditions, Everyone celebrates Diwali, Dasahara, Christmas, Eid, etc. In the Konkan region, festivals such as Narali Purnima, Holi, and Ganesh festival are mainly celebrated. In the Plateau region, people celebrate festivals such as Dasahara, Diwali, and Bail Pola on a big scale. We celebrate our national festival 15th August and 26th January all over the country with great enthusiasm. With this, I have ended my chapter. Thank you.